My name is Sandra Patricia Rodriguez. I am studying Administration Empresas at Unad 2 semesters. I work an ONG Compassion International, happily married, and with 3 sons. Uh, a postcard a postcard from Coffee Park National, Quindio Colombia. Uh, they say, I want to see you. I want the coffee park start. I can. I love and municipality of Montenegro, Quindio Colombia. I satisfied and delicious climate and temperate and rat and 10 and 22 degrees. Um, and and ecological organizer and some recreations areas recreationals mm, and history, architecture and cultural part of coffee and people work and part and job mechanics, thematic attraction and for all ages. Mm, 10 uh, and also teleférico and buses and halls and place from and the place for tourists and court and cafe nesting and marriage, compassion and thematic attraction where children can share words, characters, uh, family show, and coffees, cones, culturals, uh, uh, and it is much congestion and rooms, dentals, attraction games. Mm, yes.